When PCB layout space is tight and conventional through holes and wiring, cannot carry more connections and functions. High-density interconnect PCBs HDI PCBs are the optimal solution. It relies on laser-drilled microvias diameter less than 0.15 mm instead of traditional through holes, connecting specific layers through blind holes, buried holes, stacked vias, etc., combined with fine-line wiring and high-layer design. It can accommodate more components and signals in a very small space. This is the key for smartphones, wearables, and AI accelerators to achieve small yet powerful. HDI not only reduces product size but also improves high-frequency signal integrity, reduces interference, and enhances reliability. Suitable for fine-pitch VGA and other precision components. Different levels of HDI are suitable for different complexity needs. The higher the number of layers and process difficulty, the higher the cost. With 15 years of HDI manufacturing experience, Kaboer can produce up to 30-layer HDI boards, supporting 0.075 mm microvias and sequential lamination, providing design review, rapid prototyping, and one-stop assembly services with strict quality control throughout to help efficiently implement high-density complex design.